Alright, doing something a little bit different today. We gotta do a little walk around here. We're at the Carriage Museum up at the New York State Fairgrounds. Part of the Ag Museum here. One thing, my mother and father are part of this and on the board. I just figured I'd show this one, do a little walk around. A lot of this is, of course, New York history. And just me being a firefighter, we'll zoom in on this guy's the old leather fireman's coat, a whole bunch of different badges on it. Old Surrey. And some period pictures up on the wall. Dad was telling me this carriage they got here undercover is one they're in the process of doing a restoration on. Flip this up. Got this full width leather dash here. Comes down and is also the front fender. They also had rear fender done as well. So that was done by Amish gentleman down in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. So next thing that we're going to work on is work on getting the wheels taken care of. I think there's a Amish or Mennonite fellow out in Penn Yan, New York. We're going to take that stuff too. I'll go through a little bit more. Is one that's a family carriage. Here, this is a Brockway carriage. Late 1890s, roughly. The front dash on this was done by the same Amish gentleman down in Pennsylvania. That was the dairy farm I worked on. Through high school, the farmer's wife, her family had it. And we were able to get it and do a restoration on it. Hopefully we can keep it going. It's a simple buckboard wagon. Got a poultry wagon, got the chicken cages on it. Around here, that's a 2-horse treadmill. So you put a team of horses up there, and as it would go, these wheels would turn. You'd have a belt on it, be able to use that to power stationary stuff, stationary baler, maybe a small thresh machine, but not sure if it would handle something that big or not. Old delivery wagon. 36B here. This is another one that's in the family collection. This running gear here is one that's actually my grandfather's. The wagon behind it is a David Bradley running gear. Go around, look at something real quick on that. David Bradley running gear. We put the wagon together probably the late 90s, early 2000s. My then girlfriend, now wife, actually painted the top of it probably good 20, almost 25 years ago. One thing I don't know if I'll get on camera or not. So these tires are Firestone tires, but this S3 is a synthetic 3 with it. Signifies these tires were made during World War II. But then we'll come to the back. It's got different variety of sleds or sleighs. Even heater box for using winter time to keep passengers warm enough to go down the road. And a couple more things. A couple milk wagons here. This one's open. We'll take a look at it here. See, Dev. Milk bottles. You stand up in there to run your team. And you got a brake handle here to be able to stop the team as you're going from house to house. A little bit fancier buggy here. This one's actually out of Tully, New York. But another example of the heater box. So you'd go through and put hot coals in the box, and then as you put your wagon blanket on, that would cover up your feet all the way up to your lap, and that would give you heat for it. And you got a couple more things here. This is a sleigh for delivering mail during the wintertime. And then mail truck during the summertime. So then at the very back of the museum, we got a small blacksmith shop, which they do during the fair. They'll have it done up with demonstrations. We'll be running that. So just a quick walk around. And hopefully, if you're in New York around fair time, definitely come take a look at this.